Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing the videos. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Please share the videos. If you like it, put the comments down below. It's been some time I haven't done videos, so I want to do a quick video on Berger intake. It's a super simple install. I'll link down below. There's one I did for F15 on my buddy's, on F10 on my buddy's 5 Series 535i. The reason I wanted to do it on this car is because this is the X5 F15. It has the M Performance tune and it also has the M Performance exhaust. So I wanted to see if it enhances the sound off the engine at all. I'm sure if you go to the website, no disrespect to the manufacturer, if you go to the website or take the dyno, there might be a difference, but to a human foot, to just driving every day, I don't think you can tell the difference of any horsepower. Super simple install. We're going to basically put this together in here. Once we do that, there's a little attach-on clip that you install. We're going to install that and then essentially be done. There are no sensors that go on here, simple as that. It's essentially removing the old intake cover, removing the intake filter itself, and then putting this on and seeing how this sounds. So stay tuned. Let me open up the hood. Let me start working on it and you'll see. So first step, what we're going to do is essentially take this bracket that comes with it. Once you open your box, you'll get this bracket. You take it out and there's this hole. So we'll attach it here facing down. You can use a screwdriver, Phillips, or use electric power tool. And you're gonna put it in there. And you guys probably noticed I was blocking your view. You have to make sure this sits according to how it is. You'll see when I open it up, the intake sits like this and the filter comes forward. This is going to get planted so it doesn't bounce around. So you always want to point it in like a 90-degree angle down here so it sits flat like this. And then once you do that, I left it a little loose. I don't want to tighten all of it right now. Once you do that, you're going to take this filter and you're going to put it like this. And on the back of it is the screw. It's a simple tie around, so we're just going to tighten it. This requires a flathead. You can do it with a screwdriver or a power tool. Okay. So it's on, as you can see. So I'm going to remove this from here, put it on the floor. So basically, in here what we're going to do is, it's a little squishy. Let me see if I can get some more light. Okay, this one is better. As you can see, car's dirty. It's driving in the snow last week. So we're gonna open this bolt up, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are hex bolts we're gonna open up. Once we get that, the whole thing lifts up, and we can take the filter out and put ours in. So. take this off. So this is the piece. I forgot the name. I don't know if it's AFE or one of the other ones that actually make a filter housing for this, which actually covers the top too. I might look into it to see how that sounds and how that behaves as well, because technically it's just become a short ram intake, I think I should say, because your tubing is not doing anything because this is all open now. But I want to see how it sounds and then go from there. So what I was referring to is this bolt right here. As you can see, we are reusing the one that came with the intake. So there are 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take one off and reuse it with this clip. Tighten this up and then basically put this flange back on, screw it. It's a flathead and it's tight. I mean, I can tighten this a little bit more, but I just want to leave it a little leanway in here. So it's pretty standard. So this is how it takes it. So let me start up the car and then see how this is sound. Okay guys, so I'm gonna drive up and down twice. The first one we'll do in regular mode. The second one I'll do in sport mode, so you can see the difference. I'm gonna put it right by here, the closest I can get to the intake, and get the sound at like 35 to 40 miles an hour. Obviously some of the sound will be overtaken by the exhaust note because the car does have M Performance exhaust. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. Okay guys, thank you for liking, subscribing to the channel. If you have any comments, questions for the Berger or for the car F15 itself, please let me know. I'll link the first F10 we did with the Berger intake as well down below. And let me know, how do you think the sound is like and how everything is. Thank you.